Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product analysis.
Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with the best Igora Royal L-77 available in the market.
Let's explore what makes this Schwarzkopf Fashion Lights Igora Royal dye stand out from the rest.
This product boasts outstanding brightness and luminosity, ensuring your hair shines like never before.
Plus, its intense contrast feature ensures visible results even on dark or colored bases.
And here's the kicker. It's all packed into one bottle, making your hair transformation process hassle-free.
Let's talk packaging.
The Schwarzkopf L-77 comes in a convenient bottle, making application a breeze. No need to worry about messy mixing or complicated procedures.
With this product, you get salon-quality results right in the comfort of your own home. Voiceover. Now, let's break down the benefits.
This dye not only brightens your hair but also provides long-lasting color. Say goodbye to frequent touch-ups.
And with its exclusive formulation by Schwarzkopf, you can trust that you're using the best in hair care technology. But wait, there's more.
Customers love the Schwarzkopf L-77 for its reliability. With fewer returns than average compared to similar products, you can purchase with confidence knowing you're getting a tried and tested favorite. Of course, we always like to offer alternatives.
If you're looking for something slightly different,
consider the Schwarzkopf Igora Royal Fashion Lights Permanent Highlight Color Cream with Fiberbond technology. It's another top-notch option from the Schwarzkopf Professional line.
And there you have it, folks.
The Schwarzkopf L-77 Fashion Light Igora Royal dye, a game-changer in the world of hair coloring. Don't just take our word for it, try it out for yourself and experience the difference.
Until next time, this is your host signing off from Product Critique. Stay fabulous. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy shopping!